I want to create a pivot table from this data. Control A to highlight my data like that. Then Control T. Then hit on Enter to convert this into a table. Click on Insert. Then go to Pivot Table from Table or Range, which is selected there. So the table is this one, already highlighted. And I want this to be in the existing worksheet. So I highlight that. Then I put the cursor there on the location. And then highlight anywhere within my Excel. Then click on OK. So the pivot table will be here. So highlight it and then you come all the way to this other end. So I want the country name to be on the rows, and then the population per year should go to the values. So you can have all of them within the row like that. So we now have the pivot table. We have the totals here. And I can filter according to whichever country I want. Maybe I want only these 3 ones. I click on OK and I have their totals and everything else.